In this episode, we get the car kind of ready, buy some straps, all sorts of stuff so that we can go drifting for the very first time with the new car in Queensland. So come along for the journey. Good morning, breakfast time. Got the eggs on the Geo, making my famous candy bacon. Alright.
Here is the candy bacon. Here's the candy bacon. This is Hunter's, this is mine.
Candy bacon. So I can borrow this trailer, but it's literally millimetre the width of that. And I don't have a winch, so I've got to drive it up. So I've got like 20 minutes to get ready, so I've got to hustle. Well, it just fit, so that's good. Load up. I've literally just thrown stuff in the car. I've got an hour drive, I've still got to get fuel, and I've got to be there in an hour, so probably be late. So let's hit it. Never, first time.
Oh, don't hit a barrier, they hurt.
I will avoid them.
Don't hit a wall, they also hurt.
Avoid.
Wow, you're good.
Well, one lap done, and it drifts. Definitely feels a little twitchy. The alignment needs some work for sure, but it'll be fine for tonight. We'll drive through it. Oh, show. I mean, one lap. Maybe it's just first lap jitters. I don't know how much tyre pressure's in them. I probably should check that, pump them up, because I had to clutch her a few times, but she loves it. That was better. She just liked a few more revs, so we'll keep it back. I'm going to call that a night. Success, nothing broke. Had a few really good laps, a few not so good laps, but like the first time driving the car, couldn't really expect much more than that. Some dude just filmed, put like 2 cameras on it, he does YouTube, so hopefully I can get the footage off him, which will be cool. I would, rate this as a major success. Well, we made it back home. That was a fun night, especially for an impromptu, like what, less than 24 hours ago, found out about it, and then like loaded the car up in 20 minutes, drove an hour to somewhere I've never been. Really cool crew, guys. met some cool dudes. Didn't really do any tandem. I didn't want to be fair. I was just wanted to test the car, make sure that it all worked well, which it did. I'm like, oh, I want more power already. But it was steering awesome. Drove sick. Keen to watch some of the footage, but I'm gonna go to bed, and we got a youth ministry on Friday, so I'll get the car off the trailer. What's today? Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, so Friday. Give it a clean and then do that. And I don't know what else. Bit of a blow. Anyway, see you when I'm looking at you.
Red.
We're on the hunt for some organic eggs. We're all about that. We found this place in the middle of nowhere. Gonna go check her out, boys. Oh, look at that. All sorts of stuff. How cool. We're in the fridge. There's the good stuff. Get the eggs. What do you reckon, Indy? It's cold. There's little chickens up there. No, the chickens that we got their eggs from, I reckon. Free range cow. What do you reckon, Indy? Foxy's still asleep. Just back home from the mall, and we've unloaded the Silvia, got rid of the trailer. Now just going over some of my notes, and I'll be heading to Ipswich right now. It's about an hour drive. Got to get fuel on the way, and speaking to their youth ministry there. So let's get dressed and hit the road. Just like that, we're home. I didn't film much of tonight. Weather conditions were wild, but we're back. Bad time. Good car. It is the morning after. It bucketed down last night. I think I took a few bits of footage. The rain on the way to Ipswich was so bad I could hardly see. Then it was thunder and lightning. Anyway, we made it there. I didn't film much while I was there because, well, it's kind of not appropriate just to get the camera out all the time. Anyway, it was a great night with Catalyst Youth. Our marquee floor is a mud pit because of all the rain last night, so we're out here on the deck. Cooked up some breakfast, eggs and bacon, and peanut butter. Gotta go visit some friends today. They had a baby a couple of days ago, so that's exciting. Well, was it a couple of days ago? Like a week ago. And just a fun day today. And then church tomorrow. And
Which church are we going to?
I can't remember. It's called Life Point? City Point. And
We're
on
going
the
to
City Point, and it's like on the Sunshine Coast. And then school's next week. And I'm trying to get access to the main track to go drifting because you need some special license. I'm going to see if I can get that to go drifting on Friday night. Well, we visited our friends, and now where are we, Ryder? Well, it's not a zoo. It's like a national park thing, something. We'll go see some animals. Well, back home after a big day. Went to Danielle's other uncle's where I picked up these bad boys. So, got church tomorrow, but I'll put them in Monday after my meetings. Night.
Okay.
Say good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.